Guys, back in the channel.
My name is Cool Vivan and
My name is Vivan&Viyanka.
today we'll be taking you on a journey across the Netherlands. So let's hop on board. We'll be doing some river boating in the wonderful city of Amsterdam. You can see around us there are many small buildings. Now these buildings, they are very small and narrow only because back in the days in Netherlands they used to take tax for the width of the building. It didn't matter anything about height or anything. So if the width of the building was small, then the tax would be lowered. Also in Amsterdam, buildings' heights have been limited to only 8 stories because if there was more, the buildings would sink into the sand underneath because they weren't strong enough. There is over more than 1,500 bridges in Amsterdam, each with this unique story. Many can spot some of the famous dancing houses along the canal. These houses lean slightly due to their wooden foundations, which have shifted over the centuries. And on the water, you can see everything from modern speedboats to traditional houseboats, which people actually live in year-round. Life along the canal is vibrant and full of surprises, from tiny little cute cafes to shops hidden in the buildings to locals enjoying a sunny day by the water. You might even spot a floating flower market, a rare sight unique to Amsterdam. This place was wonderful. There were 2 tour guides and they were very kind and fun. You can also see people bringing their own private boats to the Amsterdam River. You can also see a houseboat. There are even restaurant boats. Sometimes you have to duck down. There are a lot of posh cars here. This place was a very wonderful place. Amsterdam is a very wonderful place, and sometimes they even call it the Venice of the Netherlands. And did you know, fun fact, Amsterdam has 165 canals, which is more than Venice. Well, Venice only comes around 120. If you are looking for a trip to Amsterdam, I highly recommend you. It's one of the best places you can ever go to. I also recommend you to go onto the boat rides. It is a very wonderful experience. Well, if you have already watched our other videos, then please go and like and subscribe.
I want you guys to comment too, share with your friends or family.
Yep.